So दोस्तों, good morning once again. Your host and दोस्त Arun once again with you with the sheer pleasure because of the fact that I'm going to share something with you which if you follow is going to change your life forever completely. That's my promise to you. That's my promise to you. But the point here is that you need to keep your diary or maybe just keep your cell phone, a Google Keep app ready and just note down one or two things which you're going to learn from this video. So dosto, today we're going to talk about two actors. Let me take two real life examples. I won't be telling you the names in the beginning. I'll be talking about the names towards the end of this little video. Imagine that there are two people. Both of these people are studying in two different parts of the world. Now there is one guy who does what? He does his BA. The second guy, he graduates from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, one of the most reputed IIT colleges. And of course, IIT as the name itself is one of the best colleges on the whole planet. So the second guy is an IITian and the first guy has just done Bachelor of Arts. This happened some maybe 6 to 7 years ago. At this point of time, which person you rate as a true real success? Think about it. I'm pretty sure that you're going to rate the second person who is an IITian as a bigger success. He is the person who actually has arrived. He has got a huge, beautiful, nice, amazing career in front of him. The first person is just a Bachelor of Arts from Delhi. Nobody cares about BA. Maybe you may think, but actually it's not about what others care. It's all about what you think about your qualification or for that matter about your any achievement. If you think that BA is the gateway for you to succeed, you will certainly succeed. And you will succeed in a manner which will become a benchmark for the world to watch and get inspired from. But if you feel that no, it's just a BA, I'm a poor chota sa nanna sa bachcha hoon, nothing is going to happen. It's all here. It's all about self-belief. Self-belief, that's very important. अपने आप में विश्वास करिए. जो लोगों ने बोला ना faith, विश्वास, faith, self-belief, वो बहुत बड़ी ताकत है. लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं कि जिसमें फेथ हो ना, शक्ति फेथ की काफी ज्यादा है. भरोसा रखिए, भरोसा कि मैं कर सकता हूं यार, कर सकता हूं. ये भरोसा बहुत जरूरी है. और इस भरोसे को जागरण करने के लिए, इसको जगाने के लिए कुछ रिचुअल्स हैं जो मैं आपको सजेस्ट कर सकता हूं, जो आप सुबह में कर सकते हैं. और ये फेथ ऐसा आएगा कि आप भी कुछ ऐसा करोगे कि लोग तालियां बजाएंगे. लेट मी टेल यू, आई एम एश्योरिंग यू दिस इज पॉसिबल. यू कैन टॉक टू मी ओवर अ वीकेंड. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर नाउ? Coming back to 7 years ago, two people, two actors, today's actors, and they are in the field of education doing differently. The second person is far ahead in the race than the first person. Okay? Then both these people realize that their passion lies somewhere else. It is while being on the stage. Both graduate in their own way, both pursue their passion, that is, both start acting. And then they start acting on smaller stages and then they get bigger opportunities because always remember the world of success is all about taking actions. आज का छोटा स्टेज कल का बड़ा स्टेज बनने ही वाला है. बनने ही वाला. उसके रास्ते में कोई दुनिया की ताकत आपको रोक नहीं सकती. सिर्फ आपके पास एक ही चीज चाहिए, आपका विश्वास, फेथ कि हाँ मैं कर सकता हूं. और आपको समझना होगा कि ये आपका पैशन है. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू शुड बी श्योर that this is something which you love, which is very close to your heart. That thing you must be sure about, and that's something which only you can be sure about. Only you have to be sure about. And once you are sure that this is the field of your passion, nothing in this world can stop you. Both these people came to the field of acting. Today, person one, who was a graduate in arts, is known as Rajkumar Rao, one of the superstars today. I think he is one of the most talented actors along with some other actors also. There are many other actors also who are doing very well. Ayushmann Khurrana is amazing. I have seen his acting. Very good. Rajkumar Rao. Nawazuddin Siddiqui is very good. There are many actors nowadays. Coming to the second actor. He is again a very well-known actor. He has all of a sudden catapulted in the top league of success. His name is Jitendra Kumar. He is an actor who is there in Panchayat, which is on Amazon Prime. If you get a chance, watch Panchayat. I won't ask you to watch Mirzapur and all this kind of stuff. I have not seen a single episode of Mirzapur, for example. But you must watch Panchayat. Simple and amazing. It will make you smile. It's comedy. It shows the acting prowess of some of these young budding actors. He's the same actor, Jitendra Kumar, who was there in your favorite series, which you must have seen, The Kota Factory. Very nicely made. So, now who is bigger, Rajkumar Rao or Jitendra Kumar? I think Rajkumar Rao. He is bigger in his stature because of some of the movies which he has done and the kind of roles which he has played. But Jitendra Kumar is growing, and certainly he will come to a stage where he is going to be maybe at par, or maybe he can exceed Rajkumar Rao as well. The point here is that till 6 years ago, or say 7 years ago, person B was far ahead in the race of life than person A. Had person A not decided to be in the field of passion, he would never have come to a stage where he has been far ahead on the road of success as compared to many other actors who might be very nicely qualified as well. I told you, friends, nothing matters when it comes to the field of success. All that matters is your commitment, your passion. You should be in the field of passion, and you should hold a purpose in life. A purpose, passion. So it is a set of 4 circles. We are going to have a separate video on this. These are some of the basic requirements for you to succeed, for you to achieve the kind of success which only a celebrity, if we use the common terminology, but actually a better word is a super successful person, a person who has achieved, who has made this world different, who has transformed the way this world is running, has ever done or has ever achieved. So, if you are in the field of passion, only then you can think of becoming absolutely great. Just like person A did, just like Rajkumar Rao did. Had he been in the field of academics, he would have been nobody, no man, absolutely nobody would have been talking about him. क्या आप भी इस फील्ड में हैं जो फील्ड आपके पैशन के करीब है? क्या आप भी उस फील्ड में हैं जिस फील्ड में आपका दिल लगता है? कि आप भी उस फील्ड में, जिस फील्ड में जब आप कुछ करते हैं तो लोग बोलते हैं वाह क्या काम किया है? क्या आप भी उस फील्ड में हैं जिस फील्ड में आपको अब तक इस जिंदगी में अभी तक सबसे ज्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स या अप्रिसिएशन या ग्रेट वर्ड्स मिले? इफ यू आर इन दैट फील्ड, यू कैन बी श्योर टू बिकम ग्रेट. इफ यू आर नॉट इन दैट फील्ड, you will remain a person who will be not known by the world. You will do something and then you will leave this planet Earth without anybody talking about you, without anybody getting inspired by you, without anybody talking about you while thinking of success. Remember, there's a story of 2 people, and if you want to make a difference to the world, you just have to ensure that you are in the field of passion, and then there are 3 more circles we're going to talk about. You take care, stay blessed. The message here is, and write it down today. Write down the things, write down the talents which come natural to you. सोचिए कि आपने ऐसा क्या किया अभी तक जहां पर आपको सबसे ज्यादा अप्रिसिएशन मिला है. सोचिए ऐसा क्या है जो करते समय आप समय का ख्याल भूल जाते हैं. सोचिए ऐसा क्या है जो आप दिन प्रतिदिन करते जाएंगे और फिर भी आप थकेंगे नहीं. सोचिए ऐसा क्या है जो आप सैटरडे संडे मंडे करेंगे फिर भी आपको मजा आएगा. सोचिए, think about it, and then we shall discuss more about it in the next video.